So, last night we slept in the car. It was tragic.
What I mean, there's a mountain top that I'm dreaming of. If you need me, you know where I'll be. I'll be riding shotgun underneath the hot sun.
We are driving back up the east coast and we're stuck in loads of traffic. Traffic. The RAV. Stopped at a service station. Just had to use Portugal's RAV.
We had been in Sydney for 4 nights over Christmas and got back in the car with no real plan of where we was going or even where we were staying.
Another city.
Hi.
Hi.
Olley's been driving for 6.5 hours. And I'm not gonna drive because we will die.
I can't believe it. I can't believe it.
I'd rather be alive.
Me too, to be honest. To speak.
We don't even have somewhere we're going tonight, we're just driving.
Live a little.
I would later find out that this was a very bad comment to make.
We've gone for a whole tank of petrol. Petrol. We've gone for a whole tank of petrol. I've drink.
You need. This is what I mean. I think you're not okay.
I'm okay. I'm filled up and ready to go. No. I'm surviving on energy drinks.
Yeah, but you're gonna poo yourself in a minute.
I already did at the last station we stopped at.
It's totally gross.
I did drink coffee, 2 of those cold coffee things, and a Monster. I feel good though. I mean, I don't. I was kind of just. I thought I was in a video game for most of it, and just holding the wheel like this.
Up to this point we was pretty lucky and managed to get up booking.com every time we needed a hotel. As it was the 27th of December, we soon realised that there was no room in the inn at any hotels. After refreshing the app for about an hour, we then discovered a free camping site half an hour drive away.
Hello.
Hello.
Check out the camp.
Oh, sorry, so here we have the front balcony.
This definitely made it a trip to remember and was really funny for me and Sarah to both do. We literally used towels and the sun... What's it called? The sun... Sunblocker? Sunblock!
It's great. Here we have the left wing. Can you see that? It's great. Bed number 1. Bed number 2. Oh, Olley's in it.
Oh, shit.
Lay down. There we go, bed number 2.
Right, we need to just try and get some sleep because we need to just get on the road early.
Ooh.
Ghost stories. Right. We'll talk about this in the morning.
Yeah, it's too much now.
We just need to get some sleep.
Okay, bye. Can you even see?
Yeah. Just about.
A makeshift little tent. Oh dear. Dear. It's gone.
Merry Christmas.
We managed to find this campsite, which was a little bit weird considering we got there at 9 o'clock at night. You couldn't see anything. There was just loads of caravans and we just parked up next to one, put all of those towels up in the car and tried to get to sleep.
So, last night we slept in the car. It was tragic. We've just bought our did I say 14th McDonald's of the whole trip.
No, it's more than that.
No. Oh.
I've done 4.
No, you've done 8, I've done 6.
Oh.
14 El Macos. We're feeling gross, but we're going to continue the drive. Ooh, young blood. On the road again.
When we
I
started?
just can't wait to get on the road again. And it was 4.5 hours. So
4.5 hours. And how long did we do yesterday?
10 hours.
10 hours.
But that's because we got stuck in traffic. And we slept in the car and it was horrendous. Should I stop this now?
Yeah. It was quick.
Nothing. Let's go quickly.
It'd be a while.
Oh, I feel so gross.
Try and have a sleep. Disco, disco. I'm in actual zombie mode.
Yeah,
Hello mate, how you doing? Oh.
good. Yeah, it's unlocked. No, you gotta pull the.
Oh, sorry. There we go.
There we go.
Sorry about that.
Cool. Ever stayed here before?
No.
I'd imagine not. Alright, so this is quite quick. Just the information for us, it's just quite basic stuff.
Cool, cool.
Just as much as you can get down would be great.
Thank you.
Also, a driver's license, either of you, it doesn't matter, just so I can copy it.
Yeah, no problem. First reveal of the new El Gaffo note. Driven for a long El Primo.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, that's sweet.
It's actually alright.
You sound heavily
And
surprised.
some of these places are feral.
Got a microwave. What have you all got a walk-in wardrobe?
What the hell, man?
You got a walk-in wardrobe?
Right, there's. Ugh.
Feral.
Why would you decorate like
Yeah,
this?
what's the tiles about? That's pretty modern, other than that. Isn't it?
Right.
Kind of.
Let's get the rest of the bags and let's go straight to the shop.
Semi.
Bed looks nice.
Why? That look, how bad is that? Look, compared to. No. Bathroom, I think, says a lot. Isn't it? As well.
Yeah, it's completely
Right.
ruined my place.
This is actually ain't that bad. Wait for the B-roll.
It's Sunday. We're in.
Is it?
I think so. Is it not? I'm pretty sure it's Sunday.
Zed is easy.
Right, it's Sunday. Oh, a week ago today we woke up in Nimbin, feral.
That was a week ago.
Yeah, that was a week ago.
Right. Another day, another 10 a.m. checkout.
Where are we at the moment? Gullenbala. Gunnelba. Near Lismore.
This is Lismore.
Which is about half an hour, 40 minutes away from Byron Bay, which is our main goal. But unfortunately, we can't find anywhere to stay there. So today we're going to Ballina. And this place we're going to has a swimming pool. And it's f***ing cloudy today, ain't it?
And the end one. It's alright. I think it's alright.
What, here?
Yeah.
Yeah, the bed was comfy.
We was driving for like 10 hours yesterday. Right?
No, 10 hours the day before and then you didn't sleep because you slept in the car. And then you drove for like 6 hours yesterday.
I felt like longer than that. Everything's a bit of a blur.
I need to get some sun on my face.
Hello. Oh, that aircon. On the road again.
Oh, I forgot to show you what your mum said.
Take that. Oh yeah, I think I just started downloading them.
Did you watch it?
No.
Goodness. You drank all this milk? You can't. The reindeers eat all their food. The reindeers ate all their food and they left you all these presents. That's your one. Oh! The phone! Well look, I think these ones are for Lulu, because this is Lulu's plate, it's over here. And these ones are all for Dolly. Yeah, they got cotton candy too. I'm gonna open this candy first, because I love LOLs. Yeah, you really love LOLs.
Tell you what you should do. Why go for the ones that are in the paper?
No, Dolly, that's my one. Dolly, all of yours are on this side.
Lulu, open everything that's in the paper so you know what you got. Because you can see that's an LOL dog.
I'm gonna open my chocolate egg.
That's exactly what you said, wasn't it?
That is the end of the video. If you like the video, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for the comment winners of the last video, Arnold and Dan. Simply, if you want to be in the next video, comment beneath and hit subscribe. Sarah, what are you saying?
Video.
What?
Thank you for watching
The video.
Hollywood 6.